Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I will talking about the biography of Niels Bohr. So let's begin. Niels Bohr, nuclear physicist born 3 October 1885 in Copenhagen, Denmark. Niels Bohr was the son of Christian Bohr, professor of physiology at the University of Copenhagen, and Ellen Adler Bohr, who came from a Jewish family of bakers and politicians. He was early encouraged to follow his scientific interest and distinguished himself at the university. He received his doctoral degree in 1911 with the work on the electron theory of metals. After completion of his degree, Bohr went to England, planning to continue his work at Cambridge, but ended up in Manchester, where a group of physicists were studying the structure of the atom, concentrated on theoretical models of the atom, and was one of the first scientists who recognized the importance of the position of an element in the periodic table, which organizes an element number of natural electrical charges in the nucleus. He came to the conclusion that the nucleus of an atom may determine the atomic weight and radioactive behavior, but not other physical and chemical properties of an element, which are controlled by the electron and their movement around the nucleus. Using the ideas of quantum theory developed by Max Planck and Albert Einstein, Bohr postulated that atoms can only exist in a state of discretable states of precisely defined energy. Levels and that atoms do not emit radiation energy while they are in a steady state, but rather during transit between different steady states. This bold idea, which also meant that atoms can only emit, absorb energy in quantum jumps, was able to explain the lines seen in the spectrum of absorbed light emitted from atomic hydrogen. In 1916, Bohr was appointed professor at the University of Copenhagen, a new institute for theoretical physics with Bohr at the helm was opened in 1921, the institute of which he remained director throughout his life, soon became an international center for nuclear physics and nuclear theory. In 1922, Bohr received the Nobel Prize for Physics. During the 1932, the work of the institute naturally led to discovery related to nuclear fission, and by 1939, they brought the spilling of the atom to produce very large amount of energy was basically understood. After the German occupation of Denmark in 1940, Bohr continued to work in Copenhagen in until 1943. 1943, when Bohr was in concrete opposition to his regime and his Jewish uncertainty made unrest more and more likely. He and his family fled to Sweden by fishing boat and were airlifted to England by the British government. In England, Bohr and one of his sons joined to the British effort to produce a nuclear bomb and went to Los Alamos to assist the USA in building its bomb. His son became concerned about the consequences and tried to persuade Churchill and Roosevelt of the need of a national suffrage arrangement, but to no avail. In 1955, Bohr was instrumental in bringing about the first international conference on the partial uses of atomic energy. He helped establish the European Council for Nuclear Research, CERN. Bohr was a president of the Royal Danish Academy from 1939 until his death in 1962. So we are finished now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.